and welcome to Quick Teaching Tips and Beginnerology. Today I want to share some more ideas about how to make the best use of do-it-yourself personal whiteboard that I have shown you last time. In case you have missed, please see the link below. Here I want to share with you how to find electronic configuration. Sodium, symbol Na, atomic number 11, atomic weight 23. So here 11 is the atomic number, so 11 proton. 23 is the atomic weight, so neutron is 23 minus 11, so that will come 12. Now that they can simply put on the nucleus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are proton and they can put neutron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this also they can do. They can also do electronic configuration easily by the formula 2n square. First cell has 2 into 1 square 2. So there is 2 boxes given. Second cell has 2 into 2 square, that is 8. So 8 boxes given. Third cell has 2 into 3 square is 18, but that is in a 2 group, 8 and 10. So 8 boxes given square and 10 boxes given round. Now sodium has 11. So we are now can divide it into first cell 2, second cell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first cell is filled up, second cell is filled up. Now 2 and 8, 10 is done. So only 1 left. So 1 is the third cell which is roaming about, and this one they want to give away. So the valency will be 1. Proton is 11, electron is 11 in a neutral atom. The moment it ionizes, the moment one electron is given away, this will become positive because the proton will be extra. So we write plus 1. That is in sodium. Whereas similarly you can do chlorine, that is 2, 8 and 7. So it needs 1 electron. So the moment 1 electron, that is minus 1. So this way they can do easily electronic configuration, and when you do even online club, they can immediately do and show you, and that will help you to understand whether they understood what is valency and what is electronic configuration or not. I hope you find these templates useful for teaching your students. You can have many different type of template this way, like cell, like graph, etc. etc. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and leave a comment.